The next problem is the least value of the product xyz for which the determinant x11, 1y1, 11z is non-negative is. So minus 2 root 2, minus 1, minus 16 root 2 and minus 8. First they gave the determinant is non-negative. So that's why x11, 1y1, 11z is greater than or equal to 0. That means the non-negative. So greater than or equal to 0. Now we will find the determinant of this matrix. So x into yz minus 1 minus 1 into z minus 1 plus 1 into 1 minus y, which is greater than or equal to 0. So that means x yz minus x minus z plus 1 minus z is greater than or equal to 0. That means x yz minus x minus z minus y plus 2 is greater than or equal to 0. Then xyz plus 2 is greater than or equal to x plus y plus z. I will transpose this minus x minus y minus z to that side. So it becomes x plus y plus z. Now they gave that is non-negative. So xyz plus 2 is greater than or equal to x plus y plus z. Now we will substitute the options. First we will take minus 2 root 2 as xyz. So I will take minus 2 into 1 into root 2. That is minus 2 root 2. X is minus 2 and y is 1, z is root 2. Then we will get what is the value of xyz plus root 2? Minus 2 root 2 plus 2 is greater than or equal to minus 2 plus 1 plus root 2. That means that implies minus 2 root 2 plus 2 is greater than or equal to minus 1 plus root 2. Which is greater? Minus 2 root 2 plus 2 is greater. But minus 1 root 2, this is not possible. So for the next, that is minus 1. Now I will write x is minus 1 and y is minus 1 and z also minus 1. Then we will get minus 1 into minus 1 into minus 1. Minus 1 plus 2 is greater than or equal to minus 1 minus 1 minus 1. That means here 1 is greater than or equal to minus 3. This is right. And I will take these two options also. Now the third one, minus 16 root 2. I will take x as 4 and y as minus 4, z as root 2. Then we will get x, y, z is 4 4s are 16. So minus 16 root 2 plus 2, which is greater than or equal to x means 4, y means minus 4, z means root 2. So that means minus 16 root 2 plus 2 is greater than or equal to root 2. Here this is negative value, this is positive value. This is also wrong. And next we will substitute minus 8. Then I will take x as minus 2, y as minus 2 and z as minus 2. Then we will get minus 8 plus 2 is greater than or equal to minus 2 minus 2 minus 2. Here we will get minus 6 and which is greater than or equal to here also minus 6. So minus 6 is greater than or equal to minus 6. Here also this is right. But here 1 is greater than or equal to minus 3 and minus 6 is greater than or equal to. So these two options are true. But the least value of this is also right and this is also right. But they ask the least value of. So the least value. What is the least value of minus 1 and minus 8? The least value of minus 1 and minus 8 is minus 8. So the option is minus 8, not minus 1. Next problem is let A be a 3 by 3 matrix such that 1, 2, 3, 0, 2, 3, 0, 1, 1 equal to 0, 0, 1, 1, 0, 0, 0, 1, 0. Then A inverse is. We know some we all know some properties. What are they? A into A inverse is equal to I. A into A inverse is equal to I and A inverse into I is equal to A and A into I is equal to A inverse. Now here they gave the identity matrix, but they will change the rows and columns. Now we will apply columns. We will interchange the columns. That means we will change C1 to C3. We will change apply C1 and C3. Then we will get A into C1. C1 means that is 1 0 0. Then it will changes to C3. So 3 3 1 3 3 1. And C2 is same as like that, and C1 is 1 0 0 1 0 0. Similarly in that side also 1 0 0, and in 0 0 1 0 1 0. In the that side also 1 0 0 and C3 1 0 0, sorry, 1 0 0 0 0 1 and 0 1 0. Now again C2 C3. I will change C2, apply C2 to C3. I will change the columns C2 and C3 again. Then we will get A into 3 3 1 1 0 0 2 2 1, and that is equal to 1 0 0 0 1 0 0 0 1. This is the identity matrix. We know the properties. A into A inverse is equal to I. That means A into A inverse is equal to, this is I. So A inverse is equal to what is that? 3 1 2 3 0 2 and 1 0 1. So 3 1 2 3 0 2 and 1 0 1. So this is the answer. The problem is if x minus 4 2x 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 x minus 4 2x 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 x minus 4 is equal to a plus bx into x minus a whole square, then the ordered pair AB is equal to, this is in Bains 2018 question, 4 comma 5 minus 4 comma minus 5 minus 4 comma 3 and minus 4 comma 5. Now I will take the matrix. So x minus 4 2x 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 x minus 4 2x 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 and x minus 4. Now we will take now I will R3, I will subtract R3 minus R2 and R2 minus R1. First we will subtract R3 minus R2. So R3 implies, here R2 implies. Then we will get R3 minus R2. No. So first value, so R3 implies R3 minus R2 and R2 implies R2 minus R1. Now we will subtract R3 minus R2. First row is same as it is like that, and R3 minus R2. That means I will write here R3. So 2x minus 2x 0, 2x minus x minus 4. That means x plus 4, x minus 4 minus 2x. So minus of x plus 4. And now R2 minus R1. That means 2x minus x minus 4. So here x plus 4 and x minus 4 minus 2x. Minus of x plus 4 and now 2x minus 2x 0. Now next I will applying C1 minus C3. Apply C1 minus C3. Then so C1 minus C3. X minus 4 minus 2x. That means minus of x plus 4. X plus 4 minus 0. That means x plus 4. And 0 minus of x plus 4. X plus 4. And next C2 as it is 2x minus of x plus 4 x plus 4 and C. So here R3 implies R3 minus R2 and R2 minus R1. So now R3 minus R2 means x minus 2x minus 2x. Here 0 and 2x minus x minus 4 x plus 4 x minus 4 minus 2x minus of x plus 4 and R2 minus R1, that means 2x minus x plus 4 is x plus 4 and x minus 4 minus 2x is minus of x plus 4 and 2x minus 2x 0. Then applying C1 minus C3. Then we will get C1 minus C3. So these two C1 and C3. That means minus x minus 4 minus 2x minus of x plus 4 minus 0 x plus 4 0 minus of x plus 4, that means x plus x plus 4. Now we will common the value x plus 4. I will take the common in the first column. Then we will get minus 1 1 1 and 2x minus x plus 4 2x 0 minus x plus 4. Then now we will find the value of this determinant. So x plus 4 into minus 1 into minus x plus 4 into minus x plus 4, that means minus into minus plus, that means x plus 4 whole square minus 0 and minus 2x into minus of x plus 4 in plus 0 plus 2x into x plus 4 plus x plus 4. Then we will get I will common x plus 4 in the all this term, x plus 4 into x plus 4, that means remaining minus x minus 4 minus 2x. Then we will get x plus 4 into x plus 4 minus 3x minus 4. Then x plus 4 whole square into minus 3x minus 4. Now here a plus bx into x minus a whole square. Now a is equal to minus 4 and b is equal to 3. So minus 4 comma 3 is the option.